Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today's DIY, I'll be sharing with you seasonal centerpieces. Guys, these are so beautiful. Can't wait to show you how I made them. And so we begin. This is, as you see, the foundation for this project. They also have lights underneath. That was the deal breaker for me, that the lights are already installed, battery operated. And right here, these are the ornaments that I'll be using. The color scheme, as you see, is royal blue and silver and white. To make the base for my centerpieces, and this is to attach the ornaments to, I use a small saucer to trace out the size that I need, and I used cardboard and I used a box cutter. Welcome back, welcome back. It's good to be back in the saddle. It's been a while and I hope to keep moving forward with more videos for you all. Thank you so much to my subscribers who have been hanging in there with me and watching my reruns. And welcome to the new subscribers. If you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, or you are a returning viewer and have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. And guys, these are the discs after I have finished with them. I cut out the middle so that we'll have access to the battery compartment. And here they are installed. Now here I'm ready to begin adding the ornaments to the base of our tree. And guys, all I did was sized it up. Then I added glue to the base and I just added the ornaments. Once the first layer of ornaments were set, I began adding the various sizes and colors randomly, making sure to add dots of glue in between each ornament, securing them all in place. And by the way, guys, here I am late getting it out there, but I just want to say Happy New Year, and I hope that everyone's New Year is starting out with a great bang. Alright guys, so what I have here now is, this is how it's turning out so far. And what I did was I added glitter around the edge of the disc, the support disc. And this is how I did it. I have one of the, because I managed to do all of them, you know, sometimes once I get into it, I just keep going and forget that I need to record some things to show y'all what I'm doing. So I have my silver glitter. I put a nice little pile here on the newspaper. I have this Crayola washable glue, something from the Dollar Tree, of course. And I'm just going to demonstrate how I added the glitter. And once I have my glue on, then I just take the tree and I roll it into the glitter. There you are. In the process of hot gluing these ornaments in place, every now and then I have to go in with the toothbrush and remove some of those loose glue strings. And guys, once I was satisfied with the placement of the ornaments, I used these small styrofoam fillers to complete the look. This is how it turned out. But this is the final result. These trees turned out so beautiful. At first I wasn't sure how I was going to complete this project, but it was very simple. But sometimes I just do too much, read too much into it. But it was very simple, very therapeutic, and I just like the way they turned out. These are centerpieces for a Christmas gala for a friend who I did ornaments before, and I'll leave a link in the description, and you can see the ones that I did last year. But this year she wanted something, a little more inexpensive but still beautiful. And these are the results. So guys, if you like the content that I put out today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer. And also, hey, to my subscribers, thank you again, guys, for tuning in. Don't forget to share. Hit that notification bell so that you will see and be aware of the next DIY, which will be coming soon. Bye-bye.